Hey Brian, my name is Lee Turbianic, and I spoke with Jessica this morning at your front desk office about your website. I noticed a couple major issues with it, and I'd love to help you guys out. Like I said, I came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help your business grow and get some more clients in the door, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips that I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on this video at the end. So let's jump right into it. The 3 major things that I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. And content is basically anything that you see written on your home page here in words, and even the pictures and what they're saved as. And I'm not sure what kind of website this is, but it's kind of looks like a Wikipedia listing. Like just to give you an example, this is a new website that I'm building for one of my clients out in Woodland Hills, California, who I'm ranking currently. And yeah, so let's go back to your website. And as you can see, you have maybe 200 words, but I'm not seeing any major keywords throughout, and the layout is also hurting you as well too. So I did a quick search for Plumber, Stafford, Texas, and you're not showing up first down here in the organic section or on the first page at that. You got Doug Turner Plumbing and Jared's Plumbing, Arrow Plumbing, so that's hurting clients coming in your door big time at the moment. So I wanted to see this Doug Turner because he was in first place, and he kind of has the same setup, but he has some reviews, just not a well put together website for a client to really go through and see what you guys are about. But he has maybe 200 words, and Google, like I said, likes to see 1,500 words on the homepage of keyword rich content. So if you were to go out and get that, you would easily beat him in a heartbeat in that aspect of Google. So let's go back to this Plumber Stafford, Texas search. Up here is usually ads that companies run to be listed, and they get really costly, but if you're ranking in this other 2 sections, it's unnecessary to run them. So let's talk about this. This is the GMB section, or Google My Business. Now, as you guys can see, you're in second place, but we want to get you up here in the top where Doug Turner is. So what ranks you in this is called a citation. Now, a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook, YouTube, BBB. They're just a couple names of some high authoritative domain websites that give you power. And I have a tool that I use called WhiteSpark CA, and this will show me exactly how many citations Doug Turner has. So I plugged in his info, and he has 18 citation sources. Best part about this is we can go and see exactly where he's getting them from. And as you can see, he's got Bing, Yellow Pages, and these are all submittable as well, these red ones. So these aren't created equal though. This domain authority is how strong of a source it is that's giving them the citation. So Bing is a well-known company, so of course it's going to be a 93. Yellow Pages, well-known, 87. Chamber of Commerce, well-known, 59. But as we get down here to these other, look at Plumber Hub, it's a 9. It might be spam. Contractorsup.com, it's 9. Spam. So we want to get some powerful, high domain authoritative websites. I want to add 100 to 200 to your listing. Get up above these guys. Stay there. Plus, also get your name out there in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your services. So that's a citation, and that's the GMB. Now this third section, this is called the organic section, and this deals directly with your website. And this is where a lot of the traffic comes from. So as you can see, the Doug Turner Plumbing is in first place. Now I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and I plugged in your website in here, and this is going to show me a basic overview of all your site and its stats. So it's showing me you have a UR and a DR of 28 and 2.6, which isn't that great. This DR should be right around the same number as this, and we want them as high as possible. So 28, 28, or 35, 35, something like that. But it's showing you have 244 backlinks and coming from 78 websites. So that's telling me that all your backlinks aren't strong because this is the rating of your backlink profile. So that's a good reason why you're not on that first page for any of these keywords, which is what we're going to get into also shortly. You're ranking for 1.2 thousand keywords and getting about 580 traffic at the moment. Now, Doug Turner, he's got a 15 and 9, but he has 708 backlinks. 1,000 keywords, he's getting about 900 traffic. And look at the traffic value difference. So when it comes to those keywords, though, this is what I wanted to touch base on. So Stafford plumber, 70. This is going to show me the exact keyword. This is what people are typing in each month when they're looking for a plumber in your area, and how many times and how hard it is to rank for it. So Stafford plumber is being searched 70 times. That's 70 people looking and typing Stafford plumber, looking for a plumbing service. Plumber Stafford, 50 times. Plumbers in Stafford, 80 times. Plumbers with an S, Stafford, 30. Stafford plumbers, 30. Stafford plumbing, 100. That's 100 people typing each and every month. As you can see, this represents the average monthly number of searches for that keyword. 100 people typing looking for a plumber in Stafford. So if you're not on that first page or in the top 3, you're not going to get that traffic. Staffordshire plumbers, plumbing supply, Stafford, Texas, 30. Things to do, my plumber. But let's see some of your keywords. And let's see where your position is for them. Sugarland plumbers, which is your name. Plumbers Sugarland, 200. So you're doing good in Sugarland, but you're not getting any of the Stafford plumber. Plumber Missouri City, Texas, 201. You're in 23rd position or 3rd position. Rosenberg plumbing, 5th position. You don't have any Stafford, so you're not getting any of those searches. Plumber in Missouri City, 40-1, 4th position. So you could be getting a lot more with just adjusting some of your content and fitting those keywords throughout. And then if we add SEO and start doing backlinks, which I have access to some powerful backlinks that'll boost this number up fast and get you onto this first page for a lot of those keywords, which is what we're looking for to get clients in the door. Because you got to think, as a client, you don't ever go to page 2 or 3 or 4 looking for someone. You know the best guys are always right on the first page or in the top 3. So if you're number 1 here, you're going to see a big change, and if you're number 1 here, you're going to see a huge change in people coming in. You'll be hiring a whole nother crew for picking up all the work. But let's just discuss what we talked about. First thing was your home page needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. With those keywords we went throughout, you could put 1 per every 100 words. And I suggest a better layout, a whole new website revamp maybe, just to better fit for your customers, something with a form where they could fill out quick, boom, fill their name in, galleries with all your services listed, anything about us info. Just looks a lot better to represent you guys a lot better. The second thing we talked about was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. I suggest getting 100, 200 of these, beat out Doug by a landslide. Never let them catch back up. And also that'll get your name out there in more directories for people to find you when they're looking for a plumber. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be number 1 across Google. So you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, just give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I have some great references. I've worked with plumbers across the country and helped them get from page 4 and 5 up to page 1, get them in the map pack, and I can provide those contact numbers for you just for your peace of mind. And I'd love to help you out with this. Give me a call back, Brian, anytime, or email me. We could set up a time. But I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.